Honey lime chicken burrito bowl. Heat a little oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add sweet potatoes, and cook for around 6 minutes. Add onion and garlic to the pan, followed by black beans, corn, and seasonings. Measurements can be found in the description below. Cook until potatoes are soft and transfer to a plate. Heat a little oil in the same skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chicken and season. Stir until the chicken is cooked through. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice and honey. Return the sweet potato mixture to skillet along with some tomatoes and avocado. Add the honey lime mixture and some cilantro, then toss to coat. Serve over a bowl of rice. Enjoy!